Designed for everyday convenience, HAPLAST side gusset bags carry everything from bread to fresh produce with ease. Let's take a closer look at how this bag is made. The process begins with carefully selected virgin plastic resin, ensuring durability, flexibility, and safety for every product. The resin is melted and blown into a stable film bubble. As it travels up the tower, it passes through a gusseting unit that folds both sides so the bag can expand in volume. The flattened film is then wound into rolls, ready for bag making. Automatic machines cut and seal the bags with precise, strong seams. Each batch is then inspected for gusset accuracy, seal quality, and film thickness before labels or customer details are added. Finished bags are cleanly and securely packed. Every carton is clearly marked and prepared for shipment worldwide. HAPLAST, delivering high-quality plastic packaging solutions for every need.